Okay, I know that this channel's already been hacked, but I'm watching some of the other videos. Watch this. She's saying Mimi.
I'm tired of everyone calling me a Mimi. I am not Mimi. I am Pupinya. I don't know how you get Pupinya and Mimi mixed up, but it's getting old. What even is a Mimi? Is that some sort of brain tumor? Because if it is, you guys need to shut up. Shut up. I don't care what you think of me. I am Pupinya Stewart. So stop calling me a Mimi.
It's called
It's
Mimi.
getting on my nerves. I've had enough of the cyberbullying, but the worst thing that I was probably called was a Mimi. Because I don't know what it means.
You got Google. You got Google, right? Look it up.
I'm Pupinya Stewart, not Mimi. I don't know who Mimi is. Do I look like her or something? Who is Mimi?
Look her up.
Stop saying I'm Mimi.
You're Mimi.
I'm not a Mimi.
Yes, you are.
I'm a Pupinya.
You're Mimi. Mimi. Okay.
Hey guys, I just googled what a meme was, and it's pronounced meme, yeah.
Thank you.
And I think I'm in love with memes. I go on all of these awesome meme accounts on Instagram, and let me just tell you, PP is the best. I strive to be PP, and he, the golden PP. I love it. I love being a meme girl. Now, let me just tell you, relatable posts are the best thing ever. They're the best. Let me tell you, I love them. The ones that are
I'm gagging right
that
now.
moment when you step on a crack and that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, I live for those.
No, hold up. You didn't even know what they were before.
Just kidding. You normies disgust me. I hate Pee-Pee the Frog. Whatever his name is.
How do you hate him?
Pee-Pee. Either way, he's stupid.
How do you hate him?
And I don't really know why I made my face green to prove the point that I hate Pee-Pee, but let me prove it by saying I hate you, Pee-Pee. I hate you and your stupid meme and your stupid normie fan base. You're all just dumb. I hate the golden Pee-Pee. I hate it all. I'm
I don't think it's
allergic to
pronounced
it.
Pee-Pee, is it?
So, either you
I always
quit
call it
being
Pepe.
a stupid darn old Mimi or meme or whatever, or else I'm gonna chop your head off, your little froggy head off like this, like that, and you're going down under with minions. Yeah, I said it.
Okay. I will wreck you, John Cena. Okay.
I'm sick of everyone going up to me in my face and yelling, John Cena! I didn't know who John Cena was, but I searched him up, and apparently he's some kind of wrestler dude. Oh, you think you're tough. I'll have you know that I graduated top of my class in the Navy SEALs, and I was involved in numerous raids on Al-Qaeda. So, you think you're tough for just being some guy showing off his muscles and flexing everywhere and pounding some guys into the ground? Honey, learn what real fear is.
Okay.
I will take you on.
Please.
I can wrestle you
I would love
and
to see you
knock you down in a matter of seconds. So,
You cannot wreck what you cannot
challenge
see.
you to a wrestling match. I doubt those muscles are even real. I bet I could just pop them with a needle. You know what? I'm gonna bring a needle on stage too and just pop all your fake muscles. It's just probably like that suit on SpongeBob that he blows up every time he wears it to make him seem tougher. Honey, I will.
John Cena, girl, John Cena can take you down with a sneaky toe.
So don't even think that I won't. Don't even think bell went out because this is gonna be
Let's go need some
easy
help
stuff.
from John Cena. Bear, 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 bear. I hate John Cena, but I hate
They said it was
wrestling.
impossible to have a great tasting light beer. Boom! Award-winning Heineken Light, but with Cascade hops.
Free
They also said it was possible to make
advertising.
sales in 6 seconds.
You're welcome. Okay.
My mom deleted all my Weezer albums and replaced them all with Mozart.
I knew she was in that. It's so funny though.
I hate Tumblr. It's everything I don't want it to be. It's everything I don't want it to be. So I was just on Instagram and I realized that Tumblr is everywhere. You can't escape. Do you weird Tumblr naders or whatever you guys, Tumblies, nerd things, do you guys think that typing up your stupid complaints everywhere is going to let you spread out like a beautiful monarch butterfly? Because guess what? It's not. I'm sorry. You're just wasting just time. You're getting a little wrinkle right there. I see it. You're making yourself have veins on your forehead that you don't need. It's disgusting.
Hold up.
And don't eat.
I know this is an act, but if I ever met this girl in real life, just because she's talking shit about Tumblr, I will fucking slap that bitch across the fucking face. Tumblr is life.
Even get me started
You started.
on the furries. You furries are disgusting.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm offended. I'm very offended.
Whether you're bronies or
Offended?
you just want to rape your dog or something,
What the fuck?
you're disgusting.
No one wants to rape their dog.
I don't know what your problem is, but I mean, I don't even know. Like,
We like animals.
you know what Tumblr is?
Yes. It's an amazing place where you can meet other
It's a
people.
seed.
Excuse
It's a
me?
seed that gets planted through your eyes into your brain and just sprouts a bunch of ideas, thinking, maybe I'm this, maybe I'm that, maybe I'm emo, maybe I'm goth, maybe I'm pastel grunge.
What's pastel grunge? No. You cannot be a Tumblr hater and an anime fan.
Let me tell you something. Tumblr is going to start making a new race. And after they make a new race, they're just going to make a new species. And then after they make the new species, they're going to make a huge little... what are those things called? Rocket ship things. And they're going to take the rocket ship and they're going to put it right on their new planet called Tumblr Mania. And they're just going to... it's a seed. It's going to explode.
One, I have something to say. The internet can bring people together. The reason why is because if you do a face reveal, you don't know what color they are. You don't know what they look like. Heck, you don't even know if they're a boy or a girl. They could be a girl with a deep voice or a boy with a high voice. I love the internet. So you could shut up about Tumblr first before I really will smack her.
Hey everyone, so I was just watching this movie called 12 Years a Slave or something, and they kept calling the slaves dogs, and I've realized...
Don't do it.
Dogs. We take them away from our families. And what if...
Okay. One, usually when you take your dog away, they're happy. And I gotta go because I'm about to go to bed. Shit. We'll continue this tomorrow. Bye, guys.